Grease pencil quick tips. Time offset modifier is a must when you are making animated loops, lip syncing and other things where you want to change the frames separately. Let's say you have this 5-frame simple animation that you want to loop indefinitely. Check the custom range, set the end frame to 5. Now when you play your animation, you might see that the animation is too fast for your taste. Instead of adjusting keyframes at the timeline, you can hold Shift and drag the scale value to get faster or slower loops. You can easily do lip syncing when you have different mouth shapes drawn separately at the timeline. You can also make your life easier when you zoom in at the timeline and add markers to your keyframes, so you can see what the keyframes contain. You can add a marker with M and rename it with Ctrl M. You can also use this marker menu. When you are done, drag a new area and change it to dope sheet. Adjust your area that you can see the markers easily and you have more space to work with. Switch the mode to fixed frame. Add a keyframe to frame count with I. Move forward in time and select another frame and add a new keyframe. Continue this as long as you have done your lip syncing. Remember to select all frames, press T and change the interpolation to constant.